Here we have another pinhole leak. And usually I can't get the camera to do a close-up with these. But this one I think I got pretty good. So originally I thought this copper-clad bracket was the problem. It corroded through the line, but that wasn't the problem at all. We had a pinhole leak in the copper line, and it's not a leak at the joint. This is straight through the actual copper pipe. So I've had about 5 of these in the past year. Usually you might see 1 or 2 in 6 or 7 years, but here I've had 5 of them, at least 5 in the past year. So I had to come up with a way to handle this a little bit more appropriate than just hunting around for a piece of rubber and a hose clamp to fix it. So what I'm going to use here is a piece of burn coat connector that I purchased and a hose clamp. So I have a way to just purchase the items I need rather than hunting around for them. Once I get the hose clamp around the copper pipe, the burn coat connector, you can see it has a little spot here where the hose clamp will set in. So that'll help me put the patch in place. Now this is only a temporary patch. Eventually we'll have to cut out some copper and replace it, or replace the whole line. I'm not really sure. But I've seen this happen in old pipe, newer pipe, red labeled pipe, blue pipe. It's all over the place. A lot of people want to blame the water company, but I don't know if that's true or not, what's going on here. But I've seen a lot of them in the last year. So once I get that right directly above the leak, we'll be in good shape for this temporary repair. Now I have several of these to fix permanent, still ongoing, but this is a pretty good temporary repair. Well, I've done this on lead lines, a lot of copper lines, so I've done this quite a bit. And that was a pretty good leak in there. So once I'm able to tighten this up, that will take care of this leak. We won't have any problems until we have another pinhole leak come about. So when you buy a burn coat connector and you cut it up, you'll have several pieces to make repairs. Now I don't know why all of a sudden I have to make so many of these now, but I have everything ready to go, so I have a better way to patch these up. Usually I'll hunt around for an old radiator hose and a hose clamp from the garage, but now I have a better way to do this. Alright, there's our repair. Right on the leak, and it's not going to leak again. That's pretty good.